This is the Bamboo Grove Swim Up Club Suites B SUP room. You have your nice Tranquility soaking tub in the bathroom, double mirrors, backlit mirrors with your red lane spa amenities, hair dryers in every room. And then here we have our walk-in shower with a nice bench there and the rainforest shower along with the handheld. You have a makeup mirror as well, beautiful lighting. Full mirror here. We have our butler pantry here, replenish daily. And we have a little makeup mirror here, which is perfect. Get ready. Of course, complimentary robes and slippers, a safe large enough for a laptop. And then we come into the sleeping area, which is your king-size bed in all the Sandals resorts, couples in love. You can also do girls' weekend. You just have to share the bed, flat screen TV, and a lovely full couch here. And then as we go out onto our swim-up balcony, here we have a bench chair with a single chair, rack for your bathing suits, an outside shower. And then you get your 2 rafts with your little lounge chairs here in the pool, and you have your swim out room, and you are right walking to the beach, minutes away from the beach.